Alrighty guys, so after a little more scrubbing here, you can see where it's wet. That's obviously where I've been working, and I didn't really touch this side. But just looking at it, like, you can see the dirt. You can kind of actually see how rough it is, like all the stuff that's sticking to it. Then down here, it's way more smooth. But again, it's not, like, I've been scrubbing and wiping at it for like 10 minutes now, and it's just not going to be like the other ones. It's so soaked in, it's just, and then I don't know what like this stuff is. Which is picking off, but then you have like these indents from whatever, and like it did clean up, and it does feel pretty good. It doesn't feel sticky like before you put your hand on it and then be all over your hand. But yeah, so I'm gonna flip this around, start scrubbing the other side. Try to get the rest of this off. I don't even know what that is. There's not really any damage. There's like random indents from, I don't even know. Just lots of scrubbing. Hopefully I can get it pretty good. At least to be like this. It just doesn't look the best. I'll bring like a cleaner tomorrow, so I can get some of these darker spots out where there's obviously dirt and debris. Or just dirt in general, just really caked in. I mean, I assume this is the original one, so it's like, what? 57 years old or something. So, it's a minute, half a century. Going pretty good. But that's all for this one. I'll get on those later, like I said, but goal is for this today.